United States Air Force has provided information to the media that the schedule for the launch of Northrop Grumman's latest B-21 Raider stealth bomber will be in the first week of December. However, the USAF at that time did not provide information on the exact launch date of the B-21 Raider. However, the latest update has fixed the launch date for the strategic bomber. As quoted from Breaking Defense, the U.S. Air Force has finally set a date for the launch of its ultimate defense equipment, the B-21 Raider, which is December 2, 2022. Northrop also announced the launch date on Twitter and promised to reveal the aircraft, the world's first sixth generation, with a dramatic video featuring an airplane hidden by a white cloth, a common motif in corporate advertisements for bombers. The launch event on December 2 will take place at the Northrop Grumman facility in Palmdale, California, where the B-21 is manufactured. During a briefing at the Pentagon Press Secretary Brigadier General Pat Ryder stated that Northrop would be responsible for determining the guest list for the launch and sending out invitations. The United States last introduced a new bomber more than 30 years ago. The B-21 bomber will provide our nation with a formidable combat capability that can be deployed across a wide range of operations in the highly contested future environment, said Pat Ryder. Northrop Grumman stated that the B-21 launch event was for special invitees only and provided an exclusive look. This suggests that only the very lucky ones can see the new bomber in person, and that too can only be seen from a certain angle. Due to the status of the super strategic defense equipment, the Air Force and manufacturing will prevent the leakage of any confidential information about its design that the audience may be able to collect. So far, Northrop has revealed that it has 6 B-21s in production, with the B-21's first flight scheduled for 2023. In March, Northrop's Rapid Capabilities Office Director Randall Walden told Air Force magazine that the first B-21 bomber had been moved from the aircraft's production line to a calibration facility, where the first B-21 would undergo testing to ensure the aircraft structure meets requirements. Air Force. The U.S. Air Force proposed a $5 billion budget for the B-21 in fiscal year 2023, including $1.7 billion in procurement funding. However, the budget filing does not reveal how many B-21s will be acquired. Overall, the U.S. Air Force plans to purchase at least 100 B-21 Raiders,